I have a question, and the question is, you know, how long would it take for a startup business to see some kind of success? Let's do like pool cleaning. Let's do lawn mowing.
Okay, so well, let's assume that you already know what you're doing with pool cleaning, right? You're a master pool cleaner. You can make the pool like super nice. After you get all your LLCs and everything, set up, what I would do is I would, get a template that's pool related and completely like customize it. You can find tutorials of like how to customize WordPress templates on YouTube or even like online for like 50, $60. You can snatch up a template. Let's say like your domain hosting and everything like cost you $100. After you got that situated, I would open up a Google My Business listing for your business. You don't have to have a location. You don't have to have an office. I would optimize that. Initial calls would come from that. And what I would also do is stack up my cash. So once your cash flow is on the move, I would invest into Home Advisor leads. So basically, use Google My Business to acquire the initial customer base and establish that consistent calls. You're gonna have to learn a little bit of a local SEO, which is not too crazy of a complicated objective,
Right.
and you have some solid movement with sales. I would take some of that money, put it into Home Advisor leads. Home Advisor does qualify their users really well, and I mean, in the past, my clients have used Home Advisor. My father, who is in construction, he has also used Home Advisor many times and has landed great quality jobs. And I would find different avenues of generating more leads to close more sales and do more jobs and complete more projects and start focusing on building a team and automating that team. So I would say like the first year would be focused on completely like building
Structure.
the source of water for your business, and then that would be where you're getting your leads from. Because if you don't have a lead flow, you're not gonna have jobs. You can know how to do everything, but like if you don't have a job to do that pays you, then it's useless.